Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about the basics in the therapeutics. So basics in therapeutics. So in this we are going to talk about the cryotherapy and phototherapy. So first we are talking about the cryotherapy. So cryotherapy, as the name suggests, cryotherapy means it is a therapy. So in this basically what happened, so in this we took the liquid nitrogen. So in the cryotherapy liquid nitrogen is used, please remember it, that in the cryotherapy liquid nitrogen is used and which is at minus 196 degrees Celsius. Please remember this question. It is very important that liquid nitrogen is at what temperature. So it is at minus 196 degrees Celsius. And where we use the cryotherapy, so cryotherapy is used for the treatment of, so it is used for treatment of warts, for treatment of warts on the palmo or on the plantar region, on the palmo or on the plantar regions, either on the hand or on the uh, foot of the patient. And also it is used on the genital wards. So basically it is used in the wards, palmo, plantar or the genital wards. We used the cryotherapy genital wards, more probably on the pregnancy female, means in the pregnant ladies. So in the pregnancy genital wards we use the cryotherapy, and also we used it on the palmo or plantar wards. So this is about the cryotherapy. So here the first question which was a previous year question is that cryotherapy is used at what temperature. So liquid nitrogen is used at minus 196 degrees Celsius, and it is also used in the genital wards of the pregnant female. So it is used in the pregnant female genital wards. So this is the cryotherapy. Now the second one is the phototherapy. So second one is the phototherapy. So second one is phototherapy. Photo means light. So it is a therapy which is given by the light. So in phototherapy where we used phototherapy. So basically first remember the uses of phototherapy. So it is used in psoriasis. It is used in psoriasis, and it is also used in atopic dermatitis. Atopic dermatitis, please remember it, in the atopic dermatitis, in the psoriasis. And the third point, it is also used in the vitiligo. It is also used in the vitiligo. So it is also used in the vitiligo. So these were the points where we used the phototherapy in the psoriasis, in the atopic dermatitis and in the vitiligo. Now what is the temperature, or what is the rays of the light? So in this commonly we used the, please remember that in this phototherapy we commonly use the NB, that is narrow band light, that is narrow band light, narrow band ultraviolet B rays, narrow band ultraviolet B rays, which is around the 311 plus minus 2 nanometer, which is around 311 plus minus 2 nanometer. In this we use narrow band ultraviolet B rays. And also in the PUVA, means PUVA, we use the sorelin, plus UVA, plus UVA. In the PUVA, we use the sorelin plus ultraviolet A rays, which is a photosensitizer, And PUVA is used topically or systemic. So PUVA is used in the topical or systemic way. So this is the phototherapy, and the important question which is asked from the phototherapy is that the range of the ultraviolet B rays, that is around 311 plus minus 2 nanometer. So it is a previous year question that in the phototherapy we use 311 plus minus 2 nanometer ultraviolet B rays, and it is used in psoriasis, atopic dermatitis and vitiligo. So this is a short video about cryotherapy and phototherapy. I hope you get benefit of this video. Thank you. Bye bye guys.